Welcome, everyone. It appears that Delete Laws, aka Chili, aka Chalito, has been having quite the year. Well, he's been having quite the past 2 years, really, since we first came to know of him. This past year in particular, he has really upped his game of fuck around and find out. Last year on March 15th, 2023, we got the news of his arrest because he live-streamed it. Just like he live-streamed his arrest in Ironton the year before on March 22nd, 2022. I will never understand people live-streaming their crimes. I mean, if you're going to go out to play stupid games to win stupid prizes, the last thing you want is having a recording of it so it can be used at your trial as evidence against you. Since this is basically a timeline video of his year of fuck around and find out, let's take a look at his arrest video from last year.
You good? Why'd they say that you were pulled over?
Before he released.
Oh, I see.
Like, what a
Oh, I see. Oh, gotcha.
You can film, but you need to stay away from my driver. Back up. Back up, or I'm going to detain you.
You're gonna detain me how? In which way?
Get away from my car.
Actually, I'm standing right here. I'm at least 10 feet away, officer. I gotta tell you, I'm a constitutional law scholar. You can do whatever you want, but just understand something. Your name will go on the lawsuit. Mind your own fucking business. Mind your own business. I'm a member of the press. Go get in your car and do your job, little doggy. Go feed her.
You're being detained right now.
Okay, then detain me.
Put the phone
There you go.
down on
No,
the hood.
no. I'm a constitutional law scholar. You can't take away my
Set the phone down on the hood.
I'm now in
You're being detained. Now you're going to put hands on me?
No,
Come over here.
Why are you grabbing me?
Come over here.
Sure.
Over here.
Let the phone roll.
I don't care about the
Why are
phone.
you grabbing
Turn
me?
around.
I'm a
Turn
member of
around.
the press.
Turn around.
I'm not doing anything.
You're being
I'm
detained.
not
now.
doing
Turn
anything.
around.
Give me the phone.
Stop.
Are your cameras on? Are your cameras on?
Yeah, it's on.
Okay, then
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
You're going in handcuffs.
Why?
Put your hands
Why?
behind your back.
Can you take? Wait, can we slow down? I haven't done anything wrong.
Put your hands behind your back. Don't make contact.
Why does it take me?
I am putting you in handcuffs. You're facing the hood.
I'm
It's not within policy to put it behind. It has to be behind your back. Right now, you're going to get a ticket. If you do not put your hands behind your back, you're going to jail.
His bench trial for this arrest has been put off 3 times. However, per the judge's order, it is finally happening on February 26th, not February 23rd, as I was telling people. I think I heard February 23rd somewhere and it just stuck in my brain, so I wholeheartedly apologize for getting the date wrong in side chats. The day after his March 15th arrest, Chili was out looking for the officer who arrested him, so he could do what he and all auditors do best: harass people and police officers to get reactions for content, and so they can sue them.
Afternoon, sir. Make sure you don't leave your dog in the car. That is a criminal act, okay? Gotta get it caught out here, so don't leave your animals in the vehicle, okay? Like you did last time. Have a good evening, sir. Don't leave your animals in the vehicle.
Enjoy the lawsuit. You're so fucked, Sorensen. You're so fucked, bro. You're so screwed, brother. Let's go, Sorensen. Let's dance. Come on, bro. Mr. Tough Guy, by yourself. You can't have a conversation, tough guy. You were real tough when I was in cuffs, right? You were a real tough guy when I was in cuffs, right, Sorensen? You were really tough when I was in cuffs, but now you drive away when I'm by myself and you're alone. You damn pussy. What's the matter, Sorensen? You gotta run away? I'm by myself now. There you go. There you are, little piggy. Monday morning, Sorensen, you get sued, you piece of fucking shit. Monday morning, you get sued. I'm suing your ass. You're getting sued, bud. You're getting sued. Fucking piece of shit beta male. You got a dick this big, bro. That's how big your dick is. This is how big you are, bro. You are nothing but a cuck, bro. Not so tough without 5 guys, are you? Not so tough, are you? Flee, little dog. Drive on, little doggy. Not so tough, are you? You need backup? You need backup? You better call for backup. Motherfucker. Come meet me at the gym. Let's go to the gym. Just me and you, let's go to the gym. Just me and you, let's go to the gym. Yeah, that's right. Real tough, real tough, real tough. You guys are real tough. Don't back down. Don't ever back down. These guys are absolute tyrant scumbags.
After his March 15th arrest, Chili briefly stopped being his usually dickish self during audits. However, he was soon back to his old self in no time when he got pulled over and or ticketed for breaking the law, or when he conducted audits on the side of the road or at police stations. I think he found that his supporters were unhappy with his lack of bravado, which is not why they watch him or support him with their views and or financially. Of course, he hides behind the freedom of press and freedom of speech clauses in the First Amendment because he fancies himself to be a self-proclaimed, nationally known, independent journalist. But there are a few problems with that. Journalistic ethics is a thing, and journalists shouldn't A. insert their opinions into a story, as their stories are meant to be informative and not used as propaganda for their own self-serving bias. B. verbally abuse people, including police officers, to get reactions from them. And C. claim recording is protected under the First Amendment. You would think that someone who constantly walks around telling people that they are a 20-year constitutional law scholar would know that the freedom of press clause in the First Amendment is about the government telling the press what it can and can't print and report on. It is actually the U.S. Supreme Court that has ruled that the public is allowed to record the police while in public, i.e. public parks and sidewalks. You know, outside places where the general public is freely allowed to wander. I have put together the following 8-minute, 21-second montage of his pattern of dickish behavior from the past year since his arrest. Enjoy!
I think I know just what we need.
We're gonna need a montage. Ooh, it takes a montage.
Don't point that light at me. Mind your business. Don't point your light at me, bro. You're out of line. In California, it's called prior restraint. And I actually think that I do mind standing wherever the hell I want. This is a sidewalk right here, buddy. I'm a constitutional law scholar. I sue you pigs all the time. Don't tell me where I can stand. I can stand right here, pig.
Stand behind me.
I can stand right here, pig. Go ahead, then move your ass. You can move. You can move. Bro, I'm the wrong guy. I will sue your ass in 2 seconds flat. You'll find out though. You can take your prisoner somewhere else. Way to manufacture crime, you bunch of jerks. Why are you guys in torture cuffs?
They're good, don't they? They train us right. They train us right.
Now that you got what you asked for, go hang out over there.
You're in torture cuffs. Actually, I'm a constitutional law scholar. What I do is I tour the country and I sue police departments from.
over there,
Please don't
please.
put your hands on me, sir.
Over there.
I'm on the public sidewalk. I'm not interfering in your scene. Please don't touch me, sir.
go over there.
I will sue you tomorrow. Listen to me. You will be listed in a federal civil rights lawsuit. Don't play. I will not move from my feet from this position right here. I don't care how big and strong you think you are, bud. I know my rights. I sue pigs like you constantly. You will not tell me where I can stand. Let me make it clear. Now back down and de-escalate. Step back.
I'm not saying anything.
Okay, then don't walk up and get in my face and put your body on mine. I'm as strong as you are, bud. But you're wearing a badge and gun, makes it so I can't fight back. So back down. I'm on the sidewalk here. You don't tell me where I can stand. Brian, are you really gonna duck? I'm a nationally known journalist, man. I'm giving you a chance to tell your side. Are you really gonna duck? So this is a bullshit press release. I work for Delete Laws. I work for myself. Okay. I'm an independent journalist. I'm a constitutional law scholar. I got 4 active lawsuits right now against cops. Cops touch me, I sue them. It's just,
I hope I don't get sued right now.
I shook your hand like a man. But this is a bullshit press release.
According to you.
Okay. So surely that couldn't be it. No. When I was there on the Upper Peninsula filming, I filmed Dana, and I asked Dana if she'd ever been arrested, put in the torture cuffs, and been through the process. And then she lies again. Yes, I lied, she admits. I've never gone through the criminal justice system. Let me tell you something. Dana, I'm holding back the puke. Because if you haven't been arrested and gone through the process, You have no idea what it's like. Remember, I'm not a felon. I'm not a recovering drug addict. I've never robbed anybody, stolen, assaulted someone, beat a woman. I've never done any of those things, ever. So then why do I have such disdain and rightfully indignant against this government and these police? Because I've been arrested. I only had to get arrested once at 18. From there on out, I hated them. If you guys want to see the actual problem in America, this is the actual problem in America. This is the full problem in America. It's not the Palestinians. It's not the Israelis. We don't belong in Ukraine. This is our problem. These guys right here, the Supreme Court has given them our rights. Each and every one of these jackboot thug pigs will back up another jackboot thug pig. Every one of them is the problem. They've all pledged an allegiance to the thin blue line. Eat my shorts, copper, you piece of shit. You're a piece of shit, bro. Eat my, oh, do you want to turn it off? Go ahead, make a circle, boys. Make a circle. Right. Oh, here he comes to arrest me, right? Of course, you jackboot thug pig weakling. Eat my shorts, pig. And you didn't fight MMA for 20 years, and I did. There's a big difference between the two of us. You are literally a pussy with a badge. I'm an actual badass MMA fighter. I could beat the fuck out of you, bro. Don't ever threaten to fight me. You're not on my level, and you never will be.
Why are you so angry?
Because you pigs.
Whoa.
That's why I'm mad.
No, you don't have to be mad.
I can't stand you pigs.
Well, if you don't, go someplace else. But you have a good night.
I'm not going to have a good night because you guys are going to murder people tonight, and then you're all going to cover it up. Oh, yeah, you're real tough as you ride away, you pussy. You pussy. Ride away. Talk all the shit you want. As soon as he's going to drop the badge and gun, you pigs go flying. Let's arrest him. You guys are the problem in America. The Supreme Court has given you our rights under the guise of safety and freedom, and you pigs have ruined our country. So take your, go on, pigs on bikes. Go right away. Go right away. I'm just keeping it real. I'll say what's real. You all are pigs, every one of you. You're the problem in our country. It's not Palestine, it's not Israel. Eat my shorts, girl. Just take your slutty ass and go to your club and bring your condoms. Go on, go get laid, honey. Actually, honey, you can suck it anytime you want. Is it just Cole, or is it other? You guys got good cops here too, right?
Oh yeah.
There's good cops here?
Yeah.
Because Cole Tardif is no example of a good cop. That guy's a jackboot thug pig. I mean, he's a real piece of shit, that guy. You should see what he did with his dad. His dad, Todd Tardif, and his sister, Paige.
Yeah.
They did horrible things. Have you heard what he's done?
Can I actually just...
No, I'm gonna stand right here.
All right, well, right now we're actually working on unloading some
Well,
equipment.
that doesn't bother me. This is a public parking lot. I can stand here all I like.
At the same time?
At the same time, nothing. You're not gonna give me a directive. Go pound sand, piggy. Don't tell me what to do, bro. You're not my daddy. This is a public parking lot. You're not my boss. I'm your boss, Captain. Just make it clear. I'm the boss. You are the follower. The cops you guys gotta carry this stuff yourself?
Yeah, we do.
I'm not mean to all y'all. Just the jackboot thug pigs. Only the ones who give me directives and tell me what to do. Because last I checked, I'm a free American. I can stand anywhere I'd like. That's last I checked. I can't believe you guys got to unload this yourself, though. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. You guys don't have anybody who can help you do this?
Do you want to help us?
Shit, I don't help pigs, man.
I didn't think so.
So what's the deal, Copper? I mean, like, how much longer do I got to stay here? Like, I don't understand what's going on here. I don't know why I'm here right now. Because I had my phone in my hand? That's the whole reason? Okay. Pretty soon there'll be 1,000 people watching. In just a couple seconds, there'll be 1,000 people here.
It's fine.
So I literally had my phone in my hand. And so because I had my phone in my hand, the coppers pulled me over. And they came up to me and threatened to arrest me. They said they were going to arrest me if I didn't give them my ID for their unlawful detainment. And this guy, by the way, he's got a blue terror flag on right there. You see that? Blue striped terror flag, it's right there. I mean, you know they banned those in LA, right?
This is in LA, and they
Right.
didn't ban him in LA.
They banned them in LAPD.
No,
What?
The chief of police banned it in his station.
Right.
LAPD.
So
We're
how?
not LAPD.
Okay, that's fine. I'll take the facts as you said them.
Okay.
But why do you think he banned it? How come?
I don't know, and I don't care. Honestly.
Because it's a gang symbol. Because you can't uphold your oath to the Constitution while at the same time you're flying a gang symbol. But I guess you didn't know that.
I didn't.
Well, now you know that the majority.
Well, I apologize for not going to law school like you did, sir.
250 people. There'll be 1,000 here pretty quick.
That's okay, sir.
For what? I mean, a minute ago they threatened to attack me and take me to the dungeon if I didn't give them my driver's license. So I got ready to fight these pigs because I am not going to a dungeon. They're not dragging me off to a rape cage because they want to. It's not happening. And I've told you guys this before. I'm never getting shackled with my arms behind my back ever again. It's never happening.
You need a montage. Even Rocky had a montage. Always fade out in a montage. If you fade out, it seems like more time has passed in a montage.
On September 12th, 2023, the bench trial that all of us waited for happened. Our Nevada judges was able to record the hearing with the caveat that they not show it live but could publish it later in the day, which they did. They were also able to secure an interview with Chili afterward.
Jose de Castro, 23 CR 013015.
Morning, Your Honor. Michael Mead, 13726, on behalf of the defendant. He is present with me in court this morning. This matter is on for a trial date. It's been called off as I received some additional discovery last week. I'd like to reset this matter in orderly course for about 60 days.
So do you have everything you need now? Or
Your Honor, I believe I have everything the court has ordered. There might be additional issues I seek to address before the next trial date, but I am still reviewing the materials I have.
all right. I don't care.
December 19th at 9:30.
Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
I've just been informed my client is not going to be in the country on that date. Can we push it out another month?
Sir, can you tell me when you're not in the country?
I can go slightly before that date if you have any availability, but I'll be out of the country from December and January. The second part of December, most of January.
How about early December?
How's December 6th?
Okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Have a great day.
You as well.
So my name is Chili DeCastro. My channel is called Delete Laws on YouTube, Delete Laws on Instagram. Go ahead, guys.
Okay.
I just wanted to give Nevada court an opportunity to understand a little bit what's going on. I was arrested in Las Vegas for filming the police. I took the arrest, I went to jail, and now I have to deal with the court. I shouldn't have been charged, I shouldn't have been arrested, but if you're gonna be a freedom fighter and you're gonna step up and you're gonna film cops, then part of that is you very well could get arrested. You have to be willing to take that on. So what people don't understand from their point of view, from the peanut gallery, is that the process of what I go through is extraordinarily real. I have to put on a suit, I have to put on a tie, I have to wake up in the morning, I have to come here, and my freedom is literally on the line. They can snatch my freedom away anytime. Alex and I were sitting in there, and they brought in 6 men in chains, and I asked the guards, do these guys try to escape? And she said, I've never had anybody try to escape, but yet we still bring people in chains. And that's the whole reason I do what I do. As far as the semantics of court and all those things, I probably can't get into any specific details. I can tell you this, that I'll take this to the very edge, to the very limit of how far I can go, because I will stand on my rights. I don't want to say anything about the case, I just want to say that you have constitutional rights and you have Nevada constitutional rights. And you should use your rights completely and fully and never back down from them. Stand on your rights, even if other people think you're rude or aggressive or hostile or mean. As long as you're not actually hurting people and you're just standing on your rights and you're being strong with that, then that's why I'm speaking to you right now. Stand on your rights and don't give a single inch. We have the right to get discovery in a misdemeanor case, regardless of whether or not they think it's limited discovery. No, it's not. I have a Sixth Amendment right to get all those things, and so I will.
The bench trial didn't go as we'd all hoped and was continued until December 6th. As we saw in the last clip in the montage, you know, the one from Apple Valley where he got a ticket for driving with his cell phone in his hand, it is a prophetic one. He said, "So I got ready to fight these pigs because I'm not going to a dungeon. They're not dragging me off to a rape cage because they want to. It's not happening. And I've told you this before, I'm not getting shackled with my arms behind my back ever again. It's never happening." FYI, he was found not guilty for that driving infraction and was refunded his court and ticket costs. On November 22nd, 2023, Chili, always thinking he's above the law, made a U-turn in front of motorcycle police where there was a sign saying no U-turn, and also where he was told by them that he could not make a U-turn. Oh, by the way, Chili didn't put his recording of that incident out on his channel. So much for transparency, right? However, police footage was secured and shows just what happened. Note, there is no audio for the first few minutes of the body cam footage.
Driver's license, registration, sir.
How about you suck my dick, but I'll get it for you.
Okay.
You're a fucking piece of shit
Okay.
maggot.
Give me
I'm
your
more than
driver's
willing to
license,
give you my license
registration,
and registration. I just want you to know what a piece of shit you are.
Driver's
first.
license, registration, sir.
Clearly going to identify I don't have any weapons, so these
That's fine.
jacks can't jump on top of me.
That's
You're
fine.
such a piece of shit.
Driver's license, registration,
I've
sir.
got everything ready to go for you.
Give it to me, please.
Okay, take a breath. Take a breath. De-escalate. You don't have to use your clips on me. He's not going to have to shoot me.
Driver's
You
license,
guys got your
registration,
police
sir.
presence now on the side of the road.
Driver's license, registration, sir.
Don't walk up on me. Let me get my stuff.
Driver's license, registration.
I don't want you standing
Get back
right
in the
behind
car,
me. Don't
please.
stand behind me. What do you pigs always say? Don't stand behind me. So don't get behind.
Get in the car, please, sir.
I'm an unarmed journalist. My name is Jose De Castro. I have thousands of videos.
Call this out and get the supervisor out here, please.
Get a supervisor here, quick! He's actually
Hey.
talking back to me. Oh my God!
No.
Are you scared?
Driver's license,
I just want to make
registration,
sure you're not
please.
scared. Well, just don't get on my back here. I gotta reach right here into my car.
Okay.
See that? Look at that.
Perfect.
License, registration, everything's right there.
Perfect. Can I have it, sir?
Yeah, I gotta take the tape off. You have to wait 1 second.
Okay.
Yeah, listen,
I'm waiting on you,
let
sir.
me just explain something. You two boys ain't enough, okay? You would need help.
I'm waiting
So
on
just
you,
back
sir.
the fuck up off
Is that a
of me.
threat?
No, what I'm saying is get the fuck away from me.
Sounds like you're making threats.
Oh, now, of course, it's on camera, though, asshole. Chaplinsky versus...
I have mine out, too, so
Chaplinsky
just so you
versus
know, I
New
have mine
Hampshire.
out, too.
These are not fighting words. Fighting words are specific, dunce cap pig.
Was
You
this
fucking moron.
registration suspended too, I think?
My registration's not suspended. You're such a fraud, dude. Pull over here to tell you guys you're being assholes on Thanksgiving, and you just are a bigger
It's not
asshole.
Thanksgiving, tomorrow is.
Right, but people are trying to get home now, right?
Tomorrow's Thanksgiving.
Right.
You're the one that's shaking.
No, I just don't like pigs jumping up all over me and you talking like you're aggressive to me.
I'm not aggressive.
You are aggressive.
If you would just give us your stuff, you'd be out of here.
Right. No, you guys want to give people tickets on Thanksgiving. That's what you want to do.
Don't want to.
Then why are you here?
Because that's what they pay me for. That's what the
There you
taxpayers
go.
pay
There's
me
all my
for, sir.
information. There you go. My insurance is under the other one. You're welcome to uncover it.
Okay.
Oh, you better
Have a seat back in your car for
I
me,
don't want
please.
to sit in my car.
Have a seat back in your car for
See
me,
if I
please.
can get my actual registration.
Can you have a seat back in your car for me?
Why can't I just stand here? Are you scared of me? I already showed you I don't have any
No.
weapons.
I want you to get back in your car
I'm good.
because cars are going up and down the road at like 100 miles an hour.
Right, but I'm good. You guys are good here. You got all your cops here now, and now you guys can gang tackle me for
No,
calling
that's not-
you out for
that's
giving
not
people
what we're
tickets
doing.
on Thanksgiving.
Sit tight.
Right, you can.
Is that a real ID? It looks fake to me. No, well, that's what I'm saying. It's a photocopy.
Oh. What's he called? He's like kind of borderline sovereign or what?
Oh, yeah.
So he busted a U-turn on you guys? While you guys were in the median?
So we're in the median. He pulls up. He wants to have the debate on what we're doing is ethically and morally wrong because it's Thanksgiving weekend. And I go, you need to leave, sir. And I go, you can't make a U-turn. He goes, I'm just trying to make a U-turn. I go, you can't. The sign obviously says no. And then he pulls out some case and like, there's a big giant street sign that says no U-turn. So.
He's just baiting.
Yeah, that's all he's doing. And try to keep an eye on Ryan.
So I'm just kind of backing off a little bit. Just like, I mean, there's no winning with that kind of person. You know, there's like no point even engaging in a conversation because he has his opinion. That's it.
Violent tendencies. State pickup. San Monica Boulevard, Hollywood. Where's it out of?
Lawrence, Colorado?
Detain him. Detain him, please. I know, but I want him detained because he's got violent tendencies. Thank you. So, we're just sitting here, and then he pulls up. He's trying to tell us how morally and ethically it's wrong to be writing tickets before holiday weekend. And then I go, hey, leave us alone. And he's just trying to bait us, and I'm just like, whatever. So I'm like, fine, just keep running laser. And then he goes, I'm just trying to make a U-turn. And I go, this big sign is posted, so you can't. He does it anyway. And before I could pull out of the shoulder, he pulls over and steps out of his car. He's waiting for it. He's just trying to bait us. All right. So,
Just that one out on Lakeside.
yeah. But he's got this, Sarge.
What's it saying about the boulevard? Is that
Ohio.
local? Ohio. Okay.
Ohio, but what's it for? Contempt of court, but it's red flag for violent tendencies. So I just want him detained. If you want to talk to him, I don't know if you do or not. But I don't know. His plates are suspended.
Is his license legit?
It's 27 right now.
Valid.
Valid.
You want to just issue tickets in?
Yeah, I'll just issue him tickets.
Is it the same dude?
Yeah, it's the same guy. Oh, no.
No, it's Melody Detachment.
But he has a Nevada ID. Let me just check on that real quick to see what that said. Expired, surrendered, Nevada, OLN. Valid, California? Valid, California. So I'm just going to write him tickets and tell him to get lost.
Just leave him detained until you cut the tickets out?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, totally. Everything is up there. Well, he doesn't like the fact that he's the one that tells me I'm fat, I'm out of shape. He trains every day. He trains. We're all out of shape. He can kick our butts if we wanted to, but he's not going to. So take him out of class. I'm like, well, why would you say all that?
Stop now.
Yeah. That all you're saying is this, that, blah blah blah, whatever. So I'm like, why would you say that if you're not trying to intimidate us? And then he's framed us with, well, I'm going to sue you guys. I'm going to sue you guys. I don't get it. Why did I do that? Oh yeah, that's all it is. 'Cause that's what he was trying to do on the side of the road before, and then we said, don't do the U-turn. And he's like, I'm doing it. And so, is his license plate suspended? There's right.
I wonder if he just travels around.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what he said. He's national.
Yeah.
Everybody knows he's national. Nationally known. Travels everywhere and baits cops, basically. Tries to make it.
Well, I mean, it wasn't really a bait. It was like a bait and then you broke the law.
Yeah, exactly.
One thing if you try to engage us on the side of the road, but...
Yep. All I told him is we're busy. We're ready to have him be parked beside the road.
Emergency stop.
Yep. Yep.
It's not engaged.
Right.
Please. Thank you. separate your feet for me, please? Separate your feet for me, please. A little bit more. A little bit more.
Just take me out.
A little bit more. A little bit more.
Just take me out of the cuffs, dude.
Separate your feet
What
for
are
me,
you
please.
What are
We
you?
have procedures where we
Yeah,
follow
but
on how
what
to
are
take
you
out
doing?
cuffs.
But come on, he's just cranking my wrist against the metal right now, and there's no reason for that.
Well, if you quit stressing, hand on top of your head,
Now all of
please.
a sudden I want to fight you guys. Get out.
Hand on top of the head, please.
You tell me.
All right,
Go ahead,
stop
relax.
ordering me around, dude. That's the whole. He already patted me down. I already showed I have no weapons. I'm gonna grab my phone. Well,
Come here.
it's right here, dude. My phone is right here.
All
So
right.
this pig authorized putting me in torture
Here's your
custody,
paper.
and this
Here's your
pig is giving
paperwork.
me a ticket.
So basically, citation, Good Springs Justice Court, like I said, for what you did, okay?
For what I did?
Yeah.
Oh, for addressing you and
That's-
telling
no,
you that you
that
giving
sign
people
right there
tickets
that
on
says no
Thanksgiving
U-turn.
is frickin' evil.
Sign says no
It's
U-turn
evil.
means you can't make a U-turn.
But it's evil what you did. And
Okay.
you putting me in torture cuffs and you sitting here knowing that I can't fight all 5 of you is just
You
stupid.
have a warrant for your
For
arrest and
peacefully
violent
protesting.
trespassing.
Is this on the, can I see it on the computer, please? Can I
No.
see it? Can I see it?
I can't disseminate
It
that
says
to
on
you.
the computer
You're
I'm
not
violent, though.
authorized.
Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
Okay. How?
I cannot show you the computer. You do
Then
not
how-
have authorization to see our
Who
computer.
put that in there that I'm violent?
The reporting
Ohio.
agency.
Ohio said I'm violent?
Yep. Go talk to Ohio about it. Like I said, court date's there.
You're such a beta male, dude.
Take
You're
care.
free to go.
You really are a beta male.
Yep.
You're free to go. Get the fuck out of here. I'll sit here till I'm ready to go. You guys detain me. I'm gonna gather my senses here. I need to
Drive safe, sir.
calm down. I'll sit here for as long as I need to.
Okay.
I mean, just jackboot thug pigs. Just pigs.
Sir, and they told you
He looked over his shoulder as though I was going to attack him.
they
What's
told-
the matter with you,
they
dude?
told-
why would
they
you?
told
Why would
you-
you watch
Can
them?
I speak, please?
You
they
already
told
did all
you
your
your plates
speaking,
are
bro.
suspended, correct?
I go to court on Monday.
Okay. Here's the thing, they're still suspended.
But I go to court on Monday.
Okay.
It was COVID. I couldn't go to
Okay,
court.
so you shouldn't be driving your vehicle until you go to court. Or you get a permit from the DMV.
Right. I have court on Monday.
Because it can be subject to tow. Just to let you know.
Okay. Take care of yourself.
All right, you
Take
too.
care. Listen, we don't have to like each other.
No, we don't.
I didn't have to go to cops. That's so wrong.
Okay. Did anybody use any radio traffic? Did anybody do any radio traffic?
What about it? Yeah, I called it out as a regular stop.
But I mean, did we say he's undetained and we're all
No,
cleared?
I never heard any of that. I never heard any of that.
You can do whatever you want. This is America, sir.
As of February 20th, 2024, Chile has contested the ticket for failure to obey a traffic device in court, and a March 12th, 2004 hearing has been scheduled. Hopefully, however, because it is on body cam that he blatantly broke the law in front of the motorcycle police, I expect he will be found guilty. But who knows, sometimes justice completely fails. Chile's bench trial having been put off until December 6th did happen. However, as the arresting officer was out on family leave, he could not attend, and the prosecutor asked for a continuance, which Chile's lawyer opposed, of course, but was granted by the judge.
013015.
I said flowers.
I know. I'm gonna go back to it.
Skipping. All right.
She's just bouncing around.
Good morning, Your Honor. Mike Lee on
Mike,
behalf
please,
of the defendant. The defendant is present with me this morning in the courtroom.
Good morning.
Is this from the
9:30 count.
9:30?
The bench trial, Jose de Castro. The officer present.
No, Your Honor. We filed a motion to continue. Forget
Oh,
that.
I see it.
No motion. Put Miss Jefferson filed a motion. She put Mr. Me on notice of this on November 29th. So we're asking to reset the trial based on the motion we filed.
Did you receive a copy of the motion?
Your Honor, I have a copy of the motion if I can be heard on that.
Yep.
So it looks to me that the subpoena referenced in the affidavit was not timely submitted 10 days prior to this date. Beyond that, Your Honor, all the information in the affidavit is that the officer is currently on leave under the Family Medical Leave Act, but there's no information about whether he's in this jurisdiction, out of this jurisdiction, if this is a medical issue. For the witness to be absent for the purposes of Hill, there either has to be an absence from the jurisdiction or a medical issue. Now, this might imply one of those situations exists, but I have no information one way or the other to confirm if that's the case, just because he's on leave. He could be on leave within this jurisdiction and able to appear. So there's not enough information in the affidavit to grant the motion to continue. I'll submit on that ground. Thank you.
So there is no 10-day service of subpoena requirement for Hill. That's not a part of the Hill case. In fact, the Hill case doesn't actually even require service of a subpoena. It's a due diligence showing by the state that they exercise their due diligence in attempting to acquire the witness. The information from the officer was that he's gone on the Family Medical Leave Act and is unable to appear in court. And I know that I don't know the specifics, but I know that there are rules in terms of what someone can or can't do when they are on FMLA leave. And so that's the information we were given. We're asking the court to continue this matter until after January 2nd, when the witness is no longer on FMLA leave. We're not asking for some crazy amount of time. It's a reasonable request. The other consideration is that the defendant's out of custody, and there's no real prejudice to the defendant by granting this motion to continue until January 2nd. If he was in custody, obviously that'd be different. But I'd ask the court grant the motion based on the submission by the state.
I was not here on November 30th, but the minutes say that the state represented that they will be filing a whole motion to continue the bench trial as the lead officer is unavailable. So I think you are aware of that on November 30th.
I was aware of that. The motion had not been filed by
Sure.
that time, but it was discussed at that hearing, yes, Your Honor.
So it was actually filed that morning, later in the morning. So the state has met their burden under the Hill case. I will grant the motion to continue. I will set it on a date in January, after which the officer is available. And I'm happy to set it at the convenience of both parties.
Your Honor, if it is going to be January, my availability later in the month would be better.
Later in the month would be better? More towards the end of January?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, how about January 23rd at 9:30?
That works for the defense, Your Honor.
All right, thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
January 23rd, 9:30. Alex?
Again, we had to wait, and on January 23rd, 2024, his bench trial happened again. Except it was Chili's turn to miss it due to him being too sick to attend, but apparently not sick enough to do a 5-hour live stream that afternoon. Oh, and also his lawyer was not in attendance due to another pressing matter somewhere else, so a backup lawyer attended in their stead. The judge reluctantly continued the court date, but stressed that it will be the last time.
All right, Jose De Castro, 23-013-015.
Good morning, Your Honor. Brett Whipple on behalf of Mr. Jose De Castro. Your Honor, Michael Mead from my office is the attorney of record, the previous office.
Okay.
And so he asked me to stand in today. He had to be in North Las Vegas. It was a trial. My understanding of both is to agree to a continuance. And my client, or the client, Mr. De Castro, would normally be here, but he was ill this morning. I have his phone number if we needed to contact him, but we asked for him to be not present due to his illness. Sounds like it's going around.
There's a lot going around. So, are you two asking me to reset the trial?
That is correct.
Can I have a date in about 30 days? So it's been set for trial 3 times so far, so this is it. This is it, baby.
I will tell this to you. Firm setting.
Firm setting. And with me, that means something.
Yes, I recognize that.
February 26th at 9 a.m.
February 26th.
9:30.
9:30, okay?
9:30. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
On February 15th, 2024, while driving to the gym, he saw police cars and a cordoned-off street due to a fatal car accident. Knowing his bench trial is definitely on February 26, 2024, he couldn't just drive by, right? I mean, he is possibly facing jail time for his 2 misdemeanors. Did he really want to take the chance that something bad could happen and ruin any chances he has in court? Yes, he did.
I was heading to the gym and I saw something down here open up for me, and I just wanted to begin filming here. You know what's going on?
Hey, once you pass this brick wall, just cut through the parking lot. Thank you.
Hello's for suckers.
Can we help you, sir? Can we help you?
You could just do your job, mind your own business. That's what you could do.
Excuse me?
I told you, I'd say it again, you could mind your own business. I'm doing my job. I appreciate your time. But just, if I was you, I'd just shut your mouth so I don't put you in your place. That's what I'd do if I was you. I'd shut up. If I was you. Unless you want to look like an idiot on YouTube.
We're still pretty close to the road, so let's push this out a little bit further.
If you just keep going that way for me, I'm okay if you video,
No.
but video over there for me.
Don't tell me where to stand. I'm a constitutional law scholar. I'm suing you guys for $5 million. I'll sue you for $5 million more. You don't have a right to tell me what to do.
I'm just asking you to
Shut
stand
your
over there.
piggish
We're
mouth.
still doing
And
it.
don't approach me. Shut your mouth.
Sir, do you see the crime
Shut
scene
your
tape
mouth
over there?
and shut your mouth.
see
I'm
the
your
tape?
boss.
Do you see the tape
You
over
understand that?
Let's
Shut
go
your
back
mouth.
over
I'm
there.
walking down the street. Mind your own business.
No,
I'm just standing here. If you hadn't
I'm
approached
the
me,
sergeant.
don't come behind me, piggy. Okay? If you hadn't approached me, I don't give a damn what you are. You're not a sergeant. Shut your mouth. I'm here doing my job. I'm a member of the press. I invoke my First Amendment right.
Okay.
Now, I invoke my Fifth Amendment right, so don't ask me another question. Take 3 steps back, gentlemen. I'm not your suspect. Take 3 steps back from me.
Sir, there's a crime scene
Take
tape
3
over
steps
there,
back
and
from
you're
me.
standing in a crime scene now,
I'm
so you
walking
need to
down the
leave.
street. I can walk
Okay.
anywhere I want.
Sir,
There's not crime
this is
scene
the
right
crime
here.
scene.
The crime tape would be over here then, wouldn't it, dunce cap? I
Sir,
get you didn't graduate from high
There's
school,
crime
did you?
scene tape right there, okay?
We're just asking you to
I don't
step
give a
over
rat's
there.
ass what you say. Do you understand that?
Sir,
I don't
you
care
don't have
what
to
you
make
say.
this
I'm not
difficult,
breaking
sir.
any laws. Make it difficult. If you'd mind your own damn business, we wouldn't be talking right now. If you hadn't opened your mouth, I wouldn't be talking to you.
I'm asking
just
what you were
filming
doing,
this.
and, you're okay to film.
I'm a member of
I'm
the
just
press.
asking
I
to
told
film
you I
over
invoke
there.
my Fifth Amendment right. You don't have a
your-
right to
you
ask me
have-
questions.
You have your.
I got the
film- you have
First
your
Amendment.
press
What are the
documents.
first 5 big freedoms of the
Where are
First
your press
Amendment?
You
documents,
have
sir?
your press
I'm a
documents, sir.
constitutional law scholar, you dunce cap. What is it like to be
Sir,
so stupid?
there's
I wonder what
crime
that's
scene
like.
tape right there,
What's
and
it
that's
like
where
to
you
be a
need to go.
moron?
You walked
What's it like to
underneath-
not know
sir,
our rights?
You walked underneath
Correct
the crime
him.
scene tape already, sir.
Hey, correct him, sir. Correct this man. Explain to him that he doesn't have a right. Don't
Sir,
put your hands on me.
you've already walked across
Are you
the
gonna run
crime
over and
scene
grab
tape.
me? Are you gonna run over and grab me?
Sir, you've already.
Are you gonna run over?
Sir,
I'm walking down the street,
Keep
gentlemen.
walking,
I have a
man.
right to film this.
Keep
You
walking.
understand that?
I understand.
I have a right to
I'm
film
asking
this.
you to
If you
film
touch
over
me,
there.
I will sue you. I
You're
sue
more
you
than
cops
welcome.
every
Crime scene tape
time.
already, sir.
I was walking down the street. I have a right to do so.
Okay, but we
There's
are
crime
telling
scene
you
tape.
that you need to
Your
continue
cop told me to
walking.
walk over here. I have it on video.
Okay, and I understand that.
You're confronting me when you should be working on your
If
job.
you
Why don't you
stop- let
shut
me-
your mouth and
let
step
me
away
talk
from
to
me?
you.
I'm just filming.
Let me talk to you, all right?
Who's the
Let me-
commanding officer?
I am.
Okay, then step back from me and leave me alone. I'll stop
No.
talking to you and I'll keep walking that
Then
way.
keep walking.
Then go that way. Get out of my face.
No, I will stand right here. You can keep walking.
You're not my boss, bro. I'm yours. You understand that? I make the rules.
I gave you a lawful
I'm
order.
your
You need
boss.
to keep walking.
I
If
am
you
walking.
do not, then you will
I'm
be
getting.
arrested
What's
for
your name?
obstruction.
What's your name and badge
I'm
number?
Sergeant Hutchinson.
Okay, what's your name and badge number?
Bruin 17149.
What's your name and badge number? Okay, what's your name and badge number? All right.
And you
If
are
you would
being
just do your
recorded.
job,
Across the crime
if you would
scene
just
tape,
do
sir.
your, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I did not. I have it on video.
I'm asking you
It's
to continue walking.
it's
You go
recorded.
that time,
It's
see?
recorded. I'm
You
not
are
going that way.
walking
I'm going
you
that
can't.
way.
You can't. That's the thing.
What is the crime scene about?
This is a fatal car accident.
Okay, so am I in any way near the fatal car accident?
You are-
or
you
are
are
you just
on the
being a
wrong side.
dominating
No.
pig to me?
Please
there's
just
no
keep
reason.
walking.
There's no reason to
I have
try to
not been
detain me
disrespectful
or
to
arrest
you at
me.
all.
I've done nothing wrong.
I haven't been
I'm not.
disrespectful
There's
to
no
you at all.
victim. There's no crime here. You're just being a dominating pig. Leave me alone.
I have not been disrespectful.
All I'm doing
I've
is
given you
filming.
lawful
All I
order
was
to keep
doing is
walking
filming the
anyway.
bikes, man. That's all I was
And all
doing.
I asked you was what you were doing.
And it's none of your business. Do your job. You don't have to answer to you. You're not my daddy. No, I have the officer over there on video told me to walk this way. Go ahead and arrest me and find out how quick I sue your ass.
Sir.
Just do it.
Okay.
Okay, I have to walk the other way, so I'm going to be walking over here.
Go to the crime scene tape, sir.
Don't tell me what to do.
Please go that way.
Don't tell me what to do.
Then let's just
You're
start
not
walking.
my boss.
I'm giving you a lawful order. Let's start walking now. Let's go. We're going this way.
Are you going to put your hands on me now? Leave me the fuck
Let's
alone.
go. Listen, sir,
This way. Well, don't touch me, dude.
I'm just
standing here.
escorting you
I'm
to
just
where you need to go.
Are you guys going to surround me? Leave me alone.
I am escorting you to where
There's no
you need
reason
to
to
go.
do this. I'm not trying to fight anybody.
I'm
There's
not
no
saying you're
victim
doing
here.
it.
There's no crime. You're just trying to dominate another person. Just leave me alone. Okay, I can leave, but you don't have to walk up on me.
let's go. You haven't
So
left
what's
yet.
the emergency? Is there an
Because
emergency?
we-
Somebody's dead, sir. Is that enough emergency
But
for
where
you?
are they at?
Let's go.
Where are they at? Where are they at? Are they right here?
Let's go, sir.
Am I causing any problems,
sir? Let's go.
The only thing you're
Come
doing
on.
is losing
Let's
your
go, sir.
cool, acting like an
Sir,
idiot.
the crime scene is
You're
right here.
acting like
Let's
a
go.
dunce cap.
Let's go, sir.
You're on
The
camera
crime scene
acting
is right
like a
here, sir. Let's
moron,
go.
bro.
Come on, sir.
No, look at this. I got 1, 2,
No, we're
3, 4
escorting you
cops.
to make sure
For
you
what?
leave
What
the
good's it doing?
area.
What good's it doing?
Just go on
You
the
don't
other
need to
side of the
escort me.
crosswalk.
Go back to where you're
You haven't
going.
left
I'm
yet.
walking. I'm walking right now.
Now let's
Oh,
go.
now you're threatening me with violence. Now this guy's threatening me with violence.
Come on, let's walk.
Let's go, sir.
Now they're pushing me. Look at their hands all over me. Look at that. Look at that.
You're right.
All,
We're escorting you.
don't fucking touch me, boys.
go.
Don't.
No.
What are you doing?
For what?
I've got it on the ground, sir. Don't hurt me. My wrist is broken. All right, relax. Don't relax. Don't hurt me. We're not going to hurt you. Don't guys already. Don't hurt me. Don't pull away. We're not going to kill you guys. You got 30 fucking warnings. Shut the fuck up. You have to double. You have to double cover. Wait. You guys, I'm suing you guys. Put my hands. My hands are broken. Look at my here. Look at my thumb. Put my hands down. That's all right. I'm not going to hurt. That's against our policy. Look at my thumb. It's broken. All right, we're putting 2 handcuffs on you. And why are you cuffing me at all? I'm bleeding. There's no reason to tackle me and put your hands on me. We did not tackle you. Okay. Will you grab my phone for me?
Yes, sir. We'll grab them.
Okay.
For a self-proclaimed 20-year constitutional law scholar, he constantly conflates the Fifth Amendment and the Miranda rights. He has been told this time and time again, but he has a script he has to follow, so he keeps getting things wrong. He has also shown via recordings and live streams a clear pattern of combative and abusive behavior for years, and he has escalated this behavior since his arrest last year. His recordings and live streams can be used against him in a court of law as long as it is relevant to the case, either during the trial or in sentencing, should he be found guilty, of course, of one or both of his misdemeanors. Remember, folks, that life is tough for all of us these days, and Karen isn't afraid to bitch, piss, and moan about it. Until next time, this has been... What the hell, Karen?